If you've ever wondered what I do sometimes just for fun, sometimes I get in the mood to look at what some of my dream cosplays, like dream costumes to recreate, because I am a novice cosplayer. I don't cosplay as often as I want to. I used to do some TikTok stuff and just, I kind of lost interest. But one of my dream costumes to recreate is Palpatine's blue outfit from Phantom Menace. It's been one of my favorite costumes since I was a kid, and occasionally I try to dissect it, and initially I was looking into like these blankets for like the main like coat, frock thing, because initially it kind of had that like almost like popcorny material in a way from some of the more like low-res pictures, or like maybe even like a quilted kind of look. So I was looking into like blankets like that had sort of that texture to it, because that's how it looked to me in a lot of the pictures I was able to find. But I was looking at some more high-res pics and screenshots, and just, can we appreciate the amount of detailing on this fabric? Because that fabric, I thought it was like two separate like fabrics, like the top and the inner lining were two separate. From the looks of it, that is woven. Those little, like these little like pieces of purple on the edges, or like that bluey purple on the edges, that's the interior, and you can even see some of that like tealy greeny color on the edges of the inside. But then if you look at other pictures of it, there's also a floral pattern on it that's very consistent, which means that was added after it's woven. But like you can kind of see it like on the sleeves a little, and a little on the interior. This isn't the best picture of it, but there's like a floral design to match like these like flower buttons that I'm assuming are more decorative than functional. Oh, and I just realized that this is more of like an emeraldy color, because on the toy, because I do have the toy with this costume, on the toy the trim is black. But this is also one of those costumes where, depending on the lighting, sometimes it looks green, sometimes it looks like blue, like in your face blue. So that might actually be a navy? Is that a navy? It's like this is like a tealy, bluey costume, so that must be more like an emeraldy kind of color. Oh, but you can kind of sort of see like the floral pattern. Like that's added after. Like that is a whole ass fucking flower that was probably like painted on after to match the floral buttons. And it's beautiful. The amount of detail. This is what I nerd out about every now and then when I'm not working on anything. I am so tempted to try to pattern this and make it, because everyone recreates every other Palpatine costume, but not this one.